So last lesson we learned all about the book in food processing exam. So today I will teach you on you guys how to do the calculating exam question in the exam. So this is all of the calculating question will be appearing in the exam. So today I will be teaching about it, and hopefully we can do is do every question in this exam in today. We do from first question. In the question one we have 2名でそれぞれ8時間仕事をするとき、工程の工数はどれですか？ So can you I will have like 30 seconds for you guys to do this question. Can you all like chat in the comment? Can you chat in here? What is the answer? Or voice or tell me the answer for this. I will give you like 30 seconds for this question. So we have C here. Right. This question is very easy, right? We have two people working for 8 hours. So they're asking about how many man hour, a total man hour do they have? So we have 2 times 8, that is 18. 16. So it's C answer. So in this second question we have 一つの作業は3人で作業さ完了される必要があります。そのうち作業者 A と作業者 B は2時間働け、作業者 C は3時間働きます。この作業の工数を計算してください。So how about this question? Can you guys chat or voice me, tell me the answer for this? Mm, please, like, if you comment the answer for the question, please like type like question 2B, so everyone can see that is for question 2 or question 3. Okay, thank you. So we have here is so 2B, right? 一つの作業は so we have like 3 people, right? 3人。So そのうち作業者 A, so the worker A and worker B working for 2 hours. Worker A, so 2 hours. And worker B for 2 hours. And we have worker C here is 3 hours. So we have 2, 3, so that is 7 in total. So it is B answer. So how about question number 3? ある工程で作業です。この工程、作業は30人がいります。5人は4時間で作業しました。10人は30分で作業しました。15人は1時間で作業しました。この工程の個数、正しいものを選びなさい。So how about the question? So in question number 3, we have like about 30 people in this way. So 5 people work for 4 hours. And we have 10 people working for 13 minutes. And we have 15 people work for 1 hour. So in total we have like 5 people 4 hours. So that you will be 20 hours. We have 10 people for 30 minutes. 30 is like, so that is 5 hours, right? And 15 people for 1 hour, so it is 15 people, 15 hours. So this will be like 40, right? 40. How was that 45? Oh, okay. So it is 40, right? For 14. 40 for this. So it is 14 mile hour. So question number 4 we have 作業量が 1000g で不要品量が 25kg だったすると室回り率は何%ですか？ Okay, so we have here like we have the product A. The amount of product A equal to 1000 kilogram. The bad product A in here is 55 25 kilogram. And what is the percent of the Budomari? We can calculate this by we will need to calculate the good product in this by taking 1000 minus by 25. So that will be 975. And we take 975 divided by 1000 times 100. So that will be equal to 97.5%. So A answer. So that is for the question 4. So the good product is equal to like all the total amount of product minus the best product. So that is 1000 minus 25. So that is equal to 975. So and therefore you can calculate the Budomari by taking the good product divided by the total amount of product times 100. So that will equal to the percentage of Budomari. So that is the same for this question number 5. We have ある固定の生産量が5 500kg、不用品量が 10kg、原材料が 7kg、4kg。ブロマリスは何%ですか？ I will give you guys like 1 minute to calculate this question. I answer. Okay, so we will see that. So we have here E. ね、生産量が500kg, right? So the product is 500kg. And the bad product that is 10kg, right? We have like 原材料. So that is raw material equal to 700 kilogram. Like question 4, we will calculate the good product by taking the own product minus bad product. So that will equal to 500 kilogram minus by 10 kilogram. So that is 490. But in this question you have to divide it by the percent. The Budamari in this question will be good product divided by raw material. And in this question that will be divided by 490 divided by 700, and this will be equal to, so that is 70%. So take note that if the question have raw material in them, you have to divide it by 700 kilogram, like the total. The formulation will be different if they have raw material in the question, right? Like before, you will just have the own amount of the product, not the raw material. But in this question, they have raw material too, so that will be 700 kilogram. So this is C answer for this. Okay, so about question number 6, also about Buromari. We have Aru engage C de Goyaku mai no hana no shiu uemashita. Shiwaku toki ni wa 4泊前の花咲きましたが、そのうちが50枚は虫を食べられおり、栽培できません。その場合、ブロビマリリス月のうちを計算してください。These have a lot of kanji you don't know, right? But let's try how to calculate this. I will also give you guys 1 minute for this question. We have C here. So let's see that. So Aru engage C there. So video store You don't know to you don't have to know about this store, but the store, and they 500 hana, like 500 flower. They grow 500 flower, and when they harvest them, they harvest Shukaku toki. Shukaku is harvesting. So they have when they harvest, they have 400 flower, and in 400 flower, they have like 15 flower have been eaten by bird. Musini tabe dare te oki. Haibai de kimasen. So they cannot sell it. 15 flower eaten by bird. So whether Buromari is in this. So in here we have, so if we talking about like product and the bad product, we have the total product here is like 500, right? Flower own product, and we have like good amount of product equal to 400 minus by 50. So that will equal to, because in 400 flower they have like 15 eaten by bug, right? So we have to minus 50. So that E will equal to 1300 313 15 flower, and we calculate this by taking this divided by 500, so that will equal to 7%, 70%. So this is the answer. Okay, so that is for the question number 6. About question number 7, can you guys tie the answer for me? So very fast, right? Very fast. We have a answer here. We have Buromari is the percentage of the production is 88%. The percent of production is 88%. And we have Segosita, Sehin. So this part is right, the amount of product equal to 7,000. We know that the percentage equal to good product divided by own product. In this question, they're asking about Geo Zero. So Geo hin, so that means good product, right? This part means good product, so we have to calculate this part of the equation. So we have the percent, we have the own product. So we just list to taking the own product times the percent. So that will equal 88 times 7 multiplied by 7,000 equal to, why I need the calculator for this. 7,000 equal time 88. So this is A answer. Okay. Equal to 6. So that is A answer for this number 7. How about number 8? Mm, okay. So we have 製造工程で in a production 製造工程で次の原材料を使用して製の作りました。So we have using this material to put up. So 原材料 A, raw material A is 4,050 500 kg. Raw material B is 500 kg. The Buromari is 84%. So その時 in this time, what is the good product of this? So in this question, it is different. We have two of the raw material. So we just need to plus on the raw material first. So all of the material, raw material will be time 500. So it is 5,000. 5,000. So we have 5,000 raw material. So the same before, we taking 5,000 times the percentage by 84%. 5,000 times 84. So that will equal to 4,200. So it is B answer for this. In this question, we have to notice that we have two raw material. So we need to like plus all of them in the raw material. Therefore, we can multiply that by the percentage to calculate the good product in the raw material. So we plus them first, all of them here, and therefore we can multiply it by 84%. So the B answer for this. So question number 9. Question number 9 is about, we have here Cotenoil CCU. So it is CP number or CP value. They're asking about calculating CP number. So how about this question? So we will talk about this question then. So we have learned that the CP number, the formulation of the CP number will be the yaw gain. So or the upper limit minus by the lower limit K gain. Divided by the hen xạ, hiếu yun hen xạ. Times 6. So we should need to like taking the number here, fill in the number in this formulation. So we have like the upper limit is 208 minus 200 divided by the hand side here is 1 times 6. So that is 8 divided by 6. 8 divided by 6 is 1.33. So it is C answer. For it is number 9. Please remember this formulation for the CP number. So it also appear in the book. So how about this question number 10? It is the same question. Same type of the question. So what is the answer for this? So I will solving this question then. We have here the formulation will be the same. So that is we have B here, right? So it is yaw gain minus the upper limit minus the lower limit divided by the hand xạ times 6. But we have the CP number here is 0.8. 0.8 will be equal to the upper limit minus the upper limit here is 120 minus by 69 times the hand xạ times 6. So we have all of the number here. We just need to calculate this part. this part of the formulation. So we will take this part into this. So this will be equal to 0.8 times 6, right? Minus 24. 24 will be equal to 0.8 times I will be leaving it question mark here times 6. So 24 equal to 0.8 times question mark times 6. So 24 divided by 24 will be equal to question mark times 6. 24 divided by 0.8. So that is 13. 13 is will be equal mark times 6. So question mark will be 13 divided by 6. So that is 5. So that is B answer here. This is like the reverse question for this part of the CP number calculation. So just do the remember the formulation and calculate based on that. So into question number 11. I will also give you like 1 minute for this question. Okay. So I will talk about this question there. This in the question they also asking about the cotenorial. So it is CP number. We can see that clearly here. It is about CP number, right? So first we will need to calculate the CP number here. So also that it is the same formulation before, the upper limit minus the lower limit divided by the Hensa is 5 times 6. So that is 10 divided by 30. So that will be equal to 0.33. So the CP number here is 0.33. So we can we can omit the A answer because it is 1.2, so that is not right. So we can omit the number question number A. So how about B and C? So let's see that here. The question asking about この工程の判断はもっと適切なものを選びなさい。So based on the CP number, what can we predict about the production or the manufacturing process for this? So we have here in B we have 問題が発生しており、製造を止めてすぐに対応が必要で。So it is right answer. So it B answer for this. Because you can see in the the book we have there's a table for this. The table have from CP number the equal greater than 1.67. We have 1.73 1.33 to 1.76, and we have CP number is 1.33, and therefore we have CP number from 1.33 to 0.67 to 1.33, and the last here is 1.67. So in the first category, it is very good production. So that is greater than 1.67. In the second row, we have from 1.33 to 1.67. So that is excellent manufacturing process. And we have 1.33 問題がない工程. So this will be 1.33. 1.33. So 이問題がない工程. We have here is 0.67 to 1.33. That is 不要が多い。多く改善が必要. So that will be 0.67 to 1.33. So the last category of this is smaller than 0.67. So 1.33 is smaller than 0.33 is smaller than 0.67. So that will fit in the last category. The last category of this is 問題が発生しており、製造を止めてすぐに対応が必要。So please remember the table in the book. They have a table in the book about this question, so this is B answer. So how about number 12? Okay, so this is very simple question, right? I'll read the question first. 設備が動かせる総時間が10時間。設備機械が稼働していた総時間が8時間の場合、設備の 稼働指数は何%ですか？ So this machine can working for 10 hours, but in the actual working side, they only working for 8 hours. So what's the percent of this? So we can easily calculate this by taking 8 divided by 10. I will use like talk about the formulation first, right? So the formulation for this is the actual. In the actual working side divided by prediction. The actual working time here is 8 hours divided by the prediction. Prediction here is 10 hours. So that will become 18%. Time 100. Time 100%. It is equal to 80%. So it is I answer for this. So how about number 13? So it is I answer. Okay, so we will see about this. So ある固定の切り返しは月数間1200時間の物価時間があります。切り返しの稼働率は85です。です。切り替えのし停止時間はどれぐらいですか？ So they're asking, in 1 month this machine working for 400 hours and the percentage of this is 85%. So how many hours did this machine stop? So they see, right? They're asking about how many hours did they stop? So we will taking 400 times 80%, 85%. So that will be equal to so 340 hours. So 340 hours is the actual working time of this machine. So to calculate how many hours did they stop, we need to taking 400 minus the time that the machine actually working. So that will be 340. 400 minus 340 equal to 60 hours. So it is I answer. About number 14. How about this question then? Hmm. Okay. So you guys chatting it be I answer. So let's see that. ある工場で設備が総稼働時間は約60時間。停止時間が40時間の場合、設備の稼働率はどれですか？誰しもの選びなさい。So, let's see. So they're asking this in this question, the actual working time of this machine will be 160. The stop time will be 14 hours. So the percentage of this, how many either the working percentage of this machine, how many percent of this? So first we will need to calculate the prediction. Prediction of the hour. Prediction hour working of this machine, that will be equal to 160 times 40, that is 200 hours. That is the prediction, but the percent will be equal to actual divided prediction. Actual here is 160 divided by 200 will be equal to 80%. So it is answer for number 40. Moving to question number 30. 15. So we have here it is so I answer right. Let's see here. ある工程の製造設備は1日24時から稼働可能です。しかし、あるの次のうち実際に稼働した時間は10日で、それぞれ8時間稼働しました。この工場の設備稼働率は計算してください。So, in this machine can working for 24 hours a day. しかし、but in just month, they can only working for 20 days, and in 8 day of that, they can working for only 8 hours a day. So what is the percentage of the machine working percentage of the machine? So this is very easy. It is also like actual divided by prediction. So that be actual is 8 hours a day divided by 24. So that is 33.33. So that is I answer for question 15. So how about number 16? So we have here as a container set to be 2 unit. So normally it's still can nana nichi can no uchi konichi can kado shimasu. So normally this machine can work for 5 days in a week. しかし、but 最近の調査によると、構想、メンテナンス等の理由で、so for a reason that the machine have to maintenance, still 1日だけ生産の停止数が必要があります。この場合、この工場の設備、稼働率は何ですか？ So let's translate it. So 1 week, the machine can working for 5 days, 5 days a week, right? But for maintenance reason, the machine have to be stored for 1 day. So 1 day less. So that is 4 days because that is 1 day less for maintenance. And what is the result for this? What is the percent for this? So the percent for this will be equal to 4 times divided by 5. So that will be equal to 80%. So why 80% or why divided by 5? Because they state here that in one week they can only working for 5 days. So the prediction for this is 5 days already. So not 7 days. So only 5 days for the prediction. But in the actual they can only working for 4 days. So like also the formulation, taking the actual working hour divided the prediction. The prediction is 5, so is 4 divided by 5, so that is 80%. So that will become B answer. Okay, so how about number 70? I will move this below here. So how about this question then? I will only translate this so you guys can comment about this question. That Azuko Jono said to be what? Also about the machine. There is a machine in this. 1ヶ月で10錠は30日間稼働しました。So in 1 month, the machine can working for 30 days. But 最終、木曜日には契約されたメンテナンスのために生産の停止が必要があります。So, but in last week, no, sorry. In every week, every like third day, right? They have to maintenance. Anh lên dạy học. Một chấm. Chắc là tầm tí rồi, chắc tầm 8 rồi. Ok. So how about this question? So every third day they have to maintenance this. また、風速時間発生。次に2時前生産停止することが予想されます。この工場設備の稼働率は何%ですか？ So in 1 month they also have like 2 days. They have to stop the production. So what is the percent of this? So we have 30 days. Every third day they have to stop the machine. 2 days. And in 1 month they also have 2 days. Stop product. Okay, so I will be solving the question then. So 30 days, right? 30 days. So there is 4 weeks a month, right? 4 weeks a month. And every third day they have to stop the machine. So that is 4 third day. So the 4 days. minus 4 days. And also 2 days of the stop working. 2 days. So that will be 24 days in total. So we have 24 divided by 30. That is equal to 80%. So it is answer for number 17. So let's see the question 80. Number 80 we have 一日の即使は1200、200。特定や休息指数を受けるより小さ数は正社員8時間1日5人とパートタイムが4時間1日15人がでいます。でいます not ある。この場合の時制生産性即時間としてもっと適切なものを一つ選びなさい。So in one day they have to product like one day they have to product 1,200 product and they have here in like the employee they have 5 employee 5 worker working for 8 hours a day. Working for 8 hours a day. And they also have 15 people 15 worker part-time for 4 hours a day. So they're asking about 生産性即時間 So that is how many product per 1 hour. So that will be we will need to calculate the hour first, right? So 5 hours for 5 worker for 8 hours. So that will be 5 times 8 is 40 hours. And about worker 15 worker for 4 hours. That will be 60 hours. So the total hour is 100 hours. So to calculate how many product per hour we take in one day, right? 1,200 divided by 100 hours per day. So that will be 12 per hour. 12 product per hour. So in question number 19 we have Aru soin no koyo de. So in our production, 1日でに500キラムパンを生産しています。So in one day they product 500 kilogram of bread. この工場、10人ゼロ者がいます。おり、一人当たり1日8時間働いています。この工場の従事性、賛成性、計算してください。So that is the same as the question before. So one day equal to 500 kilogram of bread. And they have 10 workers. And they also working for 8 hours a day. So that is equal to 80 hours. 500 divided by 80 hours equal to 500 divided by 80. So it is C answer 6.25. Okay, so about number 20. ある製造会社で製品生産しています。生産一家のコストがかかります。So in a company that working, so there is the cost below コストがかかります。So the cost of raw material 原材料費1個あたり raw material here is 100 yen per one unit. And we have 労働費 so worker fee equal to 50 yen per unit. So another cost or other cost, other fee equal to 20 yen per unit. 生産ライオ工程費 So the cost for like the fee, the fixed fee for 1 month fee money equal to 100,000 yen per month. So money. So in 1 month, 2 product like 1,000 product. How many costs they have to how many fees they have to pay? So we have to raw material first. So that is 100 times 1,000. Because they have to product 1,000 product, right? That will be so 100,000 yen. This is the raw material fee. About the worker fee times 1,000. That will be 50,000 yen. Another fee, other fee, we have 20,000 1,000. That will be 20,000 yen. We have here money fee is 100,000 yen. So the total to make 1,000 product in 1 month is the total of this. So this is 270,000 yen in total. Okay, so how about question number 21? ある工場が製品 A と製品 B 生産しています。So they product like product A and product B. 以下の表は So as the diagram below 製品 A と製品 B Get your idea 生産量 So the amount of product is shown below this table その対する直接費用と間接費用割り5数字しています。次の問題答えてください。それぞれの生産の直接費用または間接費用どっちも1個あたり1000円かかります。So we have in this we have direct cost and indirect cost for this at below. So直接費 direct cost and 間接費用 So indirect cost we have direct cost and indirect cost and we have the percent of them is 16 for direct cost and 14 for indirect cost for the production A for the Seihin A. So it is the product A have 60% of direct cost and 14% of indirect cost. And in the B, for the production B, we have 15 and 15. So the first question is 生産 A の次の間直接費用は何ですか So 直接費用 in the production A, what is the direct cost for production A. So production A, how many they product? 500 product a month, per month, right? 500 product in the product A, and the indirect cost, the direct cost for this is 60%. And どっちも1個当たり1000円がかかります。So, if the product costs 1000 yen to make. So, if the product costs 1000, if the product costs 1000 yen. So we have like 500 product times 1000 yen for each of the product. That will be 500,000 yen. So this is the total cost of this. But in this, the direct cost is 60% of this. So direct cost, so we have to multiply it by 60%. Taking 500,000 times 60%, because they're asking about direct cost in the production A, right? Right? So we take 500,000 times 60%. So that will equal to 300,000 yen for the direct cost for production A. And let's see the production B. We have production B. Consists here. Indirect cost for the production B. So the indirect cost is 50% for the production B, and the production B product 800 product, right? 800 product. Another product, and also 1000 each for every product. So the cost for this will be 800,000 yen for all the product, but the indirect cost is 50%. So we take 800,000 times 50%. So that will equal to 400,000. That is C answer for this. So this is the question about direct cost and indirect cost. Into question number 22, we have ある工場で1時間に100個製品を生産しました。So in 1 hour they product 100 product per hour. その後、生産内容改善により、同じ工場で1時間に120個製品を生産することができるようになります。So they improve the life of the product. So in the same 1 hour, they can product 120 product. per hour because they improve the production. Sonoba ai, seisanse no henka chugi no uchi kesan shite kudasai. So they improve the production, right? So first thing we need to calculate how many product that they increase in 1 hour. So the increase of product in 1 hour equal to 120 minus by 1 hour minus 100 equal to 20, right? So we take 20 divided by 100. In the first place, that is the first time product equal to 20%. And because this is increase of the product in 1 hour, so that is Zoka is increase. And Genso in decrease. But in this case, in this question, the product in 1 hour is increasing, so it is I answer 20% no. Zoka increase of 20% an hour. And in the question 23, we have also hin no 開発するために講習を見ため持ったところ、150人字であった。現在のまで導入講習は60人字で出来高は全体の3割があり、新速を恐れが入っている。今後、同じ生産性、熟力を装うとき、その商品の開発の関与されること、何時自由を講習が消化ですか？ So in this question, there are, in order to like open the shop, they have to have in order to open the shop. They have to have man hour equal to 150 man hour. And 現在まで until now they only working until now they only working for 16 man hour. And the production is January in Japanese is 30%. January it is 30%. And they are fear that if this continue, they will be late for the opening of the store. So if they continue to doing this process, how many hours that they have to add in this gacho. So like over or exit, right? Over the time. So we have to calculate that in 16 man hour. So we can 16 man hour equal to 30% of the production. So how many hours that I have to complete? How many hours that they need to complete all of the production? So 100 of the production will be equal to taking 60 man hour divided by 30%. Or you can see it like this: 60 man hour divided by question mark equal to 30%, 100%. So in order to have 100% here, they will need to question mark amount of man hour. So in order to finish the product, they have to take 16 man hour divided by 20%. So that will be equal to 200 man hour. So the total amount of the man hour they have to, so the time they have to work is 200 hours. But in the first place, they predict that they only need to work for 150 hours. And the question they're asking about how many hours that they have to work more from the beginning. So in the beginning, they predict that they only have to work for 150 hours. But we calculate that if they continue to work in this way, they only have to work, they have to work for 200 hours. So in total, the time that they have to work more is 200 hours minus 150, so that it will equal to 50 hours more. So in this question, this is number I answer for this question. Also we have number 24. 아도 회적 가사와 이치니치 기가이 아이데 sen yaku niyaku go. So in this company, in one day the machine A, kikai A, that is machine A, will product 1,200 product. A day. And kikai B day. Kiyaku go. Sei no seisanshimashita. So machine A, machine B equal to 900 product. ở đây. Efficacy, but the machine A, wow, you percent no calculate số cố sau si. Machine A have 10% to breakdown or broken. And if they broken, 構想中は製品の生産できません。So if the machine broken, they cannot product anything. And machine B, and machine B have 5%. Also have 5% of being broken. And その場合も製品は生産できません。Also in that case, they cannot product anything. So in one week, 7 days, how many product can they product? So here we have so first we need to calculate the how many products that they will miss if they the machine broken, right? So we have to taking the production of the product of a machine times the percentage. Here is 100 product, 120 product. So if machine broke, if the machine broken, this will be the product that we will be missing. So that be this will be for machine A, and for the machine B, that is 905%. So if 500 times 5% equal to 50 product. But this is in 1 day only, right? They're asking about in 7 days. This is in 1 day. So we have 7 days will be times 7 equal to 1,155. So this is the amount of product we will be missing if the machine didn't if the machine stopped. So it is for 7 days. So and we need also to calculating how many products that they can product in one week. So the amount of product they can product in 1 week will be 1,200 plus 900 times 7. So that will equal to 14,700. So we can calculate this. The amount of production can be product in 1 week by taking the total amount of the production minus the missing product by the broken machine. Minus 1,155. So that will be answer. So in this question, you have to calculate how many product will be missing if the machine being broken in the first place. Therefore, you have to calculate the production in 1 week, and therefore you can calculate how many product in 1 week in the total. So it will be answer for this question. So I think I will end this lesson here today. So I hope you guys learned something new today. So I will continue to solving this exam in tomorrow. So because we didn't learn last Saturday, right? So we will learn the next lesson in Monday. So I hope you guys learned something new today, and you can do this question first. So the lesson will be faster, and you can asking about the part that you don't understand. Okay, if you guys don't have any question, I will end this lesson today. はい、お疲れ様でした。はい、また月曜日。